Hi friends, it's Jodie with you today, and I have a process video for a traveller's notebook created for Hip Kit Club. I'm working with the August kits at the moment, and for this particular project I've been tasked with using the Project Life kit only, so that's what I'm doing. My brief this week is also to use either triangles or hexagons in my spread, so I've gone with hexagons as you can see, and I also am to scrap a selfie of me, so I've found a cute Snapchat filter selfie that I took. I love the Snapchat filters, and so I've chosen this cute one. I think I might be a fox or something like that in that photo. So before I started filming this layout, I just went ahead and grabbed a set of hexagon dies from my stash and pulled a few of the Project Life cards out of the pack and also some packaging as well. There's quite a few manufacturers at the moment that are putting a little bit of extra value into their products by including packaging that can be repurposed in their products. So for example, with this spread, I've used two parts of the packaging from the Project Life kit. The first one is the grid design that comes from the puffy stickers in the Pink Fresh Studio Office Hours collection. And then the pastel plaid is also from the packaging from the frames from the Indian Summer collection by Pretty Little Studio. Now that I've got all of my hexagons adhered down where I want them, I'm just going to take them to my sewing machine and stitch around the edges with regular machine thread. And I just saved that one little yellow hexagon just to make sure that I had it exactly where I wanted it. I just wanted it to peek up from behind the 3x4 card there, which frames my photo. So like I said, that frame for my photo is a 3x4 card from the Project Life kit, and I think it's pretty cute how it has that white frame around it, and it's got the piece at the top that looks a little bit like a washi tape strip just adhered across the top. Normally when I print my photos I would do that with a white border, but since this was going straight on top of this 3x4 card, it has that white section there around the photo anyway, so it really doesn't need to have that extra white border as well. One thing I did do though was just use my scalpel to cut a little section around the edge of the lower left hand side of the washi tape, and when I lifted that little piece up that I'd cut, I didn't cut it out, I just cut a little slit and left it there. Then I could tuck my photo in, and so it actually does look like the washi tape is over the top of my photo as well. I've pulled out the Paige Evans sticker sheet to start embellishing my spread, and I just love how the whimsical nature of the elements in this sticker sheet bounce off having a Snapchat selfie so well. I've also pulled out some of the cute little Pink Fresh Studio alphas there to start working on my title. Originally I was thinking of using a couple of different alpha elements for my title, and I fussed with that for a while, but at the end of the day that doesn't work and I end up changing it up a little bit. started scrolling through my camera roll to find a photo for this assignment today, I was instantly drawn to the Snapchat selfies that I'd taken. There's no denying that the filters that Snapchat provides are definitely, they are flattering for sure, but I also like the extra added little bits and pieces like the characters that you can choose when you're taking a Snapchat selfie. And I also find on at the end of the week I like to come home from work, and I'll often send my daughter, who lives about 9 hours drive away from us, kind of like a happy Friday night selfie. And this is something that I tend to do, is just take a Snapchat selfie to send her. So it's kind of like just a happy Friday vibe for me, and that's how I came to choose a photo for this spread today. It's right about now that I decide to use the Pinkfresh Studio Alphas for my full title. I'd already popped a few extra stickers in that spare space on the left hand grid hexagon there. So I decided to go with a vertical title just right beside my photo. And the Pinkfresh Studio alphas that come in the kit, they spread out the alphas so that you get a really good range of different colors of each letter in the alphabet. So I'm just scrolling through those to see which color I want to add, and I do mix it up a little bit so that there's quite a mix of colors in the title. So I'm just about finished embellishing my spread here. I am going to add just one more little phrase sticker there that says, "You amaze me." That's definitely more about Snapchat per se and the Snapchat filters rather than of the selfie of me. I really enjoy using Snapchat filters, and perhaps that's a little bit vain, but I do like that they have skin smoothing and they put super cute little characters that are overlaid over the photo of your face. I think they're lots of fun and I really enjoy using them. So that's why I added that extra little phrase in there. I'm just adding a little moth or butterfly from the Paige Evans sticker sheet. And then I'm going ahead with just adding a tiny bit of strip journaling. Really all I'm saying is that this is my Friday night routine. It's my favorite time to take a Snapchat selfie, and it really heralds the weekend for me. Friday is definitely my favorite day of the week. I was just talking about this with my son the other day. We love Fridays. I don't know why. It's even more favorite to me than Saturday. So there you go. I just celebrate that with a little Snapchat selfie every now and again. The only thing I'll add to this layout off camera is the date stamp, and that is the layout done. Thanks for stopping by today. I will leave you now with a few close-ups, and I'll also leave links to all of the products I've used in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I'd love it if you consider subscribing. Thanks so much for stopping by today, guys, and I will see you again soon for another process video.